remove from fridge first, then take out from the coffee machine. Here, this is the coffee outlet. This is the cover. First, I should remove the cover. Here have two buttons on the both sides of the outlet. Just press down and take it directly. Here is the milk frozen unit. This is a silicone pad. I just take it out directly. First, take it out, then this side, then pour down. Now I should wash this part. Then we should take it be two parts. Wash it under the tap water. You could use the brush to wash it. Now we should wash the milk too. This step is finished. Now I should assemble this part together. You can see this. Just make sure it is sealed. Now we should take it back to the coffee outlet. This is the steam connection, steam outlet. This is the air outlet. We press down. At last, we should make sure all the parts sealed with this coffee machine outlet. We should pour up this part, then make it sealed. Now we put back the cover. Here have this, just reinstall in the right position. Press down. This step is finished. At last, we should reinstall the milk tube in the coffee machine and fridge. This both sides is totally same, so you can choose any sides in fridge or in the machine. Just insert it on the, this is a hole you can see on the right side of the coffee outlet. Insert it in the coffee machine. The other side insert into fridge.